To BMW 530i, customer complaint of sunroof inoperative. We did have a battery charger connected during this diagnosis, as that is very important. Basically, anytime the key is on, to ensure proper voltage supply for systems to operate correctly. Here we are in the vehicle with that key on. As you can see, the sunroof is open there. We're attempting to operate that. Nothing's going to happen. We're going to attempt to initialize that sunroof with our Topdon ONE. We went to maintenance. We're going to select sunroof, BMW. It's going to auto determine the VIN and vehicle. As you can see here, we got 13.8 volts from having the voltage supply connected to the vehicle. We're going to standardize the sunroof. I will standardize the headliner as well as the sunroof glass itself. Looks like we are getting a not successful. They're going to enclose that door. We're going to retry one more time. As you can see here, it was not successful. We're going to kick out and do a system scan. Out, go to Diagnostics, select BMW. Turn our VIN. This will allow us to go ahead and do an auto scan. As you can see there, the Topdon ONE does load the vehicle topology with all your different diagnostic pluses. I'll pick it back up once it's done. What I've seen before in the past, when you cannot relearn these sunroofs, sometimes you have to actually go in and reset the control unit for the sunroof, which is the FZD, that's the roof function center. Go ahead and reset that. Try it again. Back out, we'll go under service. Body. Locking and security. Normalize sunroof. This will take us straight to the same area where we were when we first started. Try it again. Before, it had already aired out at this point, so we're going to see if it carries out the entire procedure. There you see it's standardization successful. Finished. We're going to go in the vehicle. Here we are in the vehicle. You can see the headliner is now closed. We're going to go ahead and test that. One click back for the headliner. One click back for the sunroof. Have you ever had an issue with the sunroof not working on a BMW? Today the Topdon ONE helped us solve that. Please like and subscribe for more content. And thanks again.